How to download Breezy movie app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install the Breezy movie app in your iPhone or Android device. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're not connected to any VPN. Now, the second thing you want to make sure is that you have enough storage on your device to install this application. Now, open up Play Store if you are on your Android device. Open up App Store if you are on iPhone. Now tap on the search icon over here and search for Breezy Movie app. You should find the Breezy Movie app over here. Simply find it and then tap on that. Then you want to tap on the install button over here. Now, once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. Now, the tricky thing is that Breezy app might change its name and position over here in Play Store or App Store, so it might be difficult for you to find it sometimes. But all you want to do is keep on finding the application, and once you have found it, you can simply install it. If you are confused about which application to look for, then the Breezy app is going to look something like this. As you can see at the top, this is the Breezy movie apps icon. So you want to look for an application something like this. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.